Hello everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. Today we're talking about something super important for your fluency. Daily English listening practice that actually works.
Hello, I'm David, and yes, Anna is right. Listening is the key. If your ears hear English every day, your brain gets stronger and your speaking becomes smoother without even thinking too much.
Exactly. Many learners say, I can understand English a little, but I can't speak it. That's normal. But listening correctly every day fixes this problem.
Oh yes, think of your ears as your trainers. If they hear English naturally, your mouth automatically follows.
Before we jump into the main exercises, let's do a tiny warm-up. I'll say a sentence slowly, and you try to catch it. I listen to English every day because I want to speak better.
Now I'll say it in normal speed. I listen to English every day because I want to speak better.
Repeat it out loud, anywhere. Good. That's how your brain begins to get used to English.
Yes, listening plus repeating is the fastest way to improve.
All right, let's start with a morning routine scene. This is something everyone can relate to. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm a little sleepy, but I'm okay.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well, but I need coffee.
Oh, yes. Coffee first. I understand.
See? This is simple English that you can use every day.
Exactly. Short, natural, and repeatable. That's daily listening.
Let's share a mini story to make it more fun. A man named Mike goes to the cafe every morning. One day, he walks in with headphones blasting music. He says, "Large coffee, please." The barista asks, "Hot or iced?" Mike thinks he heard shark or eyes.
Poor Mike. He froze and whispered, "Hot?"
See, if your listening isn't trained, English can become confusing.
Exactly. Daily listening prevents tiny mistakes like this. Now, let's move to a shopping scenario. Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $15.
Can I pay with card?
Yes. Would you like a bag?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
This is real English that you will use in daily life.
Mini story time. A tourist named Maria goes to London. She asks the price of a cup. The shopkeeper says, $7.95. Fast. Maria thinks he heard 75 and says, "Oh, that's expensive."
Mishearing numbers happens when you don't train your ears.
Exactly. That's why listening every day is essential.
Next technique, slow, normal, fast English. I like learning English every day.
I like learning English every day.
I like learning English every day.
Oh yes, fast speech is tough, but daily listening trains your brain to catch it.
It's like a gym for your ears. Start slow, gradually increase speed. Now let's do a restaurant scenario. Hello, can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
What do you recommend?
The chicken pasta. It's really good.
Oh, nice. I'll take one.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a lemonade, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Simple, clear, natural.
Mini story. A guy asks for lemonade, but the waiter brings lemon juice. He didn't listen. Daily listening prevents mistakes like this.
Now we practice emotional sentences. English is feelings, too. I'm happy today.
I'm a little tired, but okay.
I feel confident when I practice English.
I feel proud of my progress.
Say them out loud. Feel them. This builds real fluency.
Next, meeting new people.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, nice. Beautiful country.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Simple conversations like this become easy with daily listening.
Mini story. The elevator. Someone says, "Hi, good morning." And the man replies, "My name is Michael." Listening prevents these awkward moments.
Now, reactions. Say something and react naturally.
I got a new job.
Oh, congrats. That's great.
I bought a new phone.
Wow, amazing.
I'm learning English daily.
Aha. Keep going. You're doing well.
Now your daily listening routine. Easy English, 5 to 10 minutes. Slightly harder English, 10 minutes. Shadow and repeat, 5 minutes. Think in English, 2 to 3 minutes. React and speak, 3 to 5 minutes.
Consistency is key. Small daily practice beats long, irregular sessions.
Mini story. A student named Lisa listened 15 minutes daily. After 1 month, she could understand movies and podcasts. No heavy grammar study, just listening.
So, start now. 20 minutes a day. Daily listening changes everything.
Remember, your ears are your teachers. Feed them English daily.
Consistency plus repetition equals fluency.
Even mistakes are okay. Keep going.
This is not magic. It's daily practice. Real conversations, real listening, real reactions.
That's all for today. Subscribe, like, share this video daily.
Listen, repeat, react, and improve. You can do this.
Bye for now.
Bye.